Hey, what's up guys? It's Greg, and today is April 26th, so I would like to wish you all a very happy Alien Day. Now, if you don't know, Alien Day gets its name because the planet in the 1979 film Alien is called LV-426. Now, to celebrate today, I thought I would do something very special for you guys, and I will teach you all how to draw a xenomorph. Now, for those of you who don't know, when Swiss artist H.R. Giger created the monster for the movie, he actually used a real human skull in the prosthetic alien. So the first thing we're going to want to do is draw the side profile or 3/4 view of a human skull. From there, draw out the iconic alien head. Next, from right about where the mouth line is, draw in the alien's neck. Then extend the back of the jaw like this, and draw a tube coming out that wraps behind the back of the neck. Right where the alien's ears would be, you're going to draw what looks like elf ears, with a tube extending this way and then dropping down to the back of the head. This one has this weird iconic thicker tube, sort of right in the middle, like this. Then from right above that, in the back of the head, draw a line up and over, like this, and dropping down right above the top of the ear line. Follow it down under the temple, and then across the cheekbone, right under the alien's nose. This will be the alien's dome. Above this tube, draw another one, except this one has large rings wrapped around it. The alien's teeth are pretty much human, except all the incisors and the molars are fangs. Then draw on the top lip and follow it down until it makes a triangle in the corner of the mouth like so. You can add some more tubes running out from behind the head and down the neck to give it a more organic feel. The front of the alien's neck has lines running across it that sort of look like gills. Then from the alien's temple, draw a tube that extends all the way back to the base of the head. Behind that tube, draw a series of semicircles. Then inside the alien's head, from where you drew the human skull, draw a line parallel to the outside, but then add in little spines like this. Place 2 circles on the chin like this, and then add in these tendons that help hold the alien's mouth open. You can add in some more organic lines behind the head. Then draw in the alien's shoulders. Draw 2 large semicircles sort of stacked on top of each other. Then in the middle, draw a smaller circle, and this will be the alien's shoulder. Add a tube here, and another one here. These tubes can get a series of lines wrapped around them. Draw the alien's collarbone extending like this, and then add the other shoulder right behind it. On the back of the alien's neck, I like to add spines to give it just a little bit more detail. And then don't forget this thing that sticks out. It looks like a spike, but also has spines on it as well. Next, you can go in with your ink lines. Start out by outlining the outside of the alien's dome like this. Loop back right under the nose, up over the ear, and follow the line all the way back to the base of the head. Then we can go in and add detail to the tubes. On this tube, add a series of small lines like this, and the same for the tube at the base of the jaw. The next step, start by outlining the tendons that you use to connect the lips together. Then underneath that, draw some vertically to give it a little bit more detail. Now go in and add any remaining details, and then shade this guy into your liking. And bam! Now you guys have a xenomorph. But most importantly, don't forget the drool.